Hi, dear Wild One. This is Katie Tipple, and this is a guided meditation to help you come home to yourself, to help you feel safe, grounded, and creating space for you. So let's get comfy. Gently feather your nest. Allow yourself to feel really comfortable. And when you do, allow your eyes to gently float closed. Placing one hand on your tummy, give yourself 3 nourishing deep breaths. Breathing in through your nose, deeply into your tummy, allowing it to rise and soften as you exhale, breathing out fully through your mouth. And as your breath returns to its natural rhythm, gently place your hands on your thighs, palms facing up to receive or down to help you feel grounded. Now all we're going to do is gently soften into your body. Firstly, inviting any movement you feel called to. Perhaps gently rolling the shoulders, allowing them to soften further down your back. Or wriggle the jaw, releasing any tension. Just allow your body to move how it feels called to in this moment. Allow your hands to gently open and soften. And as your body returns to stillness, bring your attention to your feet. Your feet grounded and held by the earth. And allow your awareness to gently ripple up through your legs into your hips, allowing your hips to soften, open, and become a little heavier, sinking down a little further, knowing you are fully held in this moment. Gently breathing into your tummy and allowing it to soften as you exhale. Breathing out, gently relaxing. And notice your back gently settling backwards. Allow yourself to be held, supported, to receive. This space is just for you. Give yourself permission to receive. Now bring one hand to your heart and notice your own heartbeat. Your loyal, incredible, and courageous guide, always with you, always showing you the way. Using your loving breath to open up space inside you. Breathing in, gently softening as you exhale. Give yourself permission to feel. Allowing any emotions or sensations to bubble up. If you notice discomfort, tenderly breathe into or around those spaces. And as you exhale, gently release. Welcoming whatever you are experiencing. All of you is welcome. Breathing in fully, imagining healing, golden, loving, light-filled air, gently expanding, filling your whole beautiful being, nurturing your true nature. And as this light ripples through you, recall anything which brings you joy, makes you smile on the inside, inviting it to gently bubble up. And bask in the sunlight of that feeling of gratitude, of joy, pure love. Now invite an intention to naturally arise from your heart. And just notice what that is. It can be a feeling, an action, small or big. There is no need to think about it. Just notice what your beautiful heart offers and wants you to hear. Now give yourself 3 nourishing, energizing, deep, loving breaths all the way down to your toes, your feet grounded with earth, bringing awareness back into your being. You are supported. You are safe. There is always a place here for you, home inside of you. And as your body awakens, remember your intention and invite one tiny next step towards that, which you will easily take. and commit to doing that. And when you are ready, dear wild one, gently peel open your eyes and notice how you feel.